The next one is Soetry. Hey, Soetry.
Let's do Soetry, section.
No. I mean, I've opened the tab.
Okay.
What's his blender guy?
Yeah.
Alright.
Soetry.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Keep it from there, no!
Soetry won this year's edition of the Word and Sound Poetry League. He is the current king of the mic. And yeah, reigning. Alright, so now he's going to be joining us at the Cosmos Trial.
The problem with him is that he has many poems.
You know, obviously, you know what?
He's working!
You remember, I mean, obviously, when you were competing in the poetry league,
Yeah.
you know, you'd have to have a new poem every month
Yeah.
for the duration of the year. And he was busy even last year. Because he made it to the fest last year as well. Masai Sipuru won last year's one. But he was there as well. So that's why there'll be a lot of like very recent content of his.
Word.
Which one? Which one must we check out? Raining.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's check it out.
God's magnum opus.
Heaven weeps when mother is in pain. The windows gave the clouds a shoulder to cry on, and the clouds hugs the inside of our home with vapor. With my index finger, I draw a thick woman on the glass window, and through her smile, I see that we are not the only ones crying. But she's the only one smiling, but disappears when I start breathing next to her. It is cold inside. The room sips the steam of my tea before I could get warm. Nothing warms me enough inside. Nothing is warm enough inside me. Deep inside, I know that we men have been paying the bills to the water that spent a weekend in our sister's lungs. The rain sings, and from our kitchen, mother sings a backtrack with her eyes dry. The rain sings, and from the kitchen, mother sings a backtrack with her eyes dry. We feel her breath hugging us from the distance. We cough to let her know that we are still here. That we men don't disappear but make others disappear. Permanently sometimes.
This is permanently sometimes.
Yeah.
Could have missed that.
Sister is behind her, sharing tears with onions, and the names of a missing friend sings on both ends of her lips. It is as if she went into thin air with her. I watch as how we make our smiles upside down into sad faces. My mother.
I know this feeling.
Yeah, it usually happens if the poem is very close to you know?
When our sisters becomes the distance between raindrops, maybe we became rain. And we wonder, when did we start holding hands against our mother's breathing? My mother cannot seem to pour out her emotions about her missing daughter, one who went missing from her belly. She has lost weight ever since. When a girl goes missing, she puts their names on her palms and rubs her belly as she wets her cheeks with tears. Yesterday, the scale said that many women have found a heaven that no man goes to. One where unbiological brothers send their unbiological sisters to. One where husbands send their wives to when wedding vows leaves like fists leaving sides of his pocket. It is pouring tonight. Hard. Raindrops skydive from clouds to commit suicide on a homeless man's face.
That's nice though. Wow.
There have been death on a man's face or fist.
You know, Ulontunja, Soetry. What I like about his work is it's thematic.
Yeah.
What he's doing, I would say he's found his voice. You know what I mean? And he knows exactly what his strong point is, and it's stories about things in his life. That's most of his poems. You can sense that hint of personalness. That's like a
And
shanty.
from having seen him perform and watching.
We actually have a fly here.
Ish.
What?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, from watching the homie perform, I think is really, really intentional with just how he structures and what word comes after the next, and his personification game is crazy.
Man.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Man.
I like raindrops. What's skydiving from the clouds?
Oh yeah,
That's
that's
true.
nice.
That was nice, man.
Aye.
But yo, Soetry,
Catch him. Cosmos try.
6 October.
that's it at Vets Theatre. Thank you so much for watching. I don't know if you want to, comment. You can do that.
Maybe subscribe.
yeah.
On my YouTube video to subscribe.
Yeah.
Clearly, there's something about subscription.
Yeah, but if you want to, you can subscribe.
It's for the poets.
It's alright.
Please let us know if you'd like us to react to poetry videos beyond the Cosmos Tribe and
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we can do
Wait.
that. Even if like 4 people say, I think that's enough. Okay.
Just one.
Yeah. I think we can do it. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah.
Peace.
Poetry.
Good night.